how to manage the Creative Commons license on your videos on Vimeo PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Vimeo. This is the homepage right here. Now all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Vimeo, go here, go to settings. After you go to settings, now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go here on videos, and after you click on videos, now all what you have to do is so simple. Scroll down and you will find which Creative Commons license would you like to apply to your videos. Choose from here and click on one of these, and everything is gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.